Let me tell you a little story about Lila and the beautiful butterfly. It was a bright and sparkly morning when little Lila stepped into Grandma's magical garden.
Wow! You're the prettiest butterfly I've ever seen! Thank you. Come with me.
Lila followed the butterfly. On their way, the butterflies sing for Lila in a beautiful voice.
Flutter, flutter, come with me through the flowers by the tree. Soft and gentle, slow and kind, magic's here for you to find.
All of a sudden, the butterfly disappeared. Lila was confused. She didn't know where the butterfly go.
Butterfly? Where did you go?
Don't be scared, I'm here, I'm near. Follow me and have no fear. Step by step, just look my way. I'll guide you through the garden.
Why? I never knew this place existed. Thank you for showing me the magic in the garden.
When we move slowly, look closely, and treat every little creature with kindness, the world shares its magic with us. Moral lesson: be kind to others so you can see the good in them.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.